keep it in the back of your mind कि English में बात करनी है, and you have to pick that up.
How would you recommend to us that how would we implement Project Bolo English in our school so that we can improve?
I think I feel like one of the key things here that even in all the discussions that has been highlighted is that spoken English is still not at the forefront of it, while literacy, vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing for that matter is. Spoken English is still sort of taking a backseat. But I feel like when there is a holistic curriculum, as Sir also mentioned, when a holistic environment is created, the teachers, school leaders, parents, everybody is promoting that. In the hindsight also, you have to just keep it in the back of your mind कि English में बात करनी है, and you have to pick that up. And that is something, as I said, in the long run, I think the school will be able to pick up, because from the start only there's a kickstart and there's a lot of reliance on the language also.